So here goes nothing. I'm going to take my bag of finish. I'm just going to drop a blob onto each table. I'm just going to use a brush. I misted some water onto the brush. Give it another. That's probably good. So once again, super easy to dispense. This is not sponsored by the stop loss bag people. But I think I know the guy that invented it or designed it, and I would definitely do him a favor in a heartbeat. He's a great guy. So I am perpetually short on time, and it's not that I don't mind spending money on these projects when it's appropriate. Make sure I get all the way out to the edges here. If I have too much finish, I'll just carry it over to this other table here. But yeah, what I like is the convenience of the stop loss bags. That for me, not worrying about the can lid getting gummed up and then I have to clean the lid or transfer the finish or monkey around with that. So I have a dog and 2 kids to take care of. And so anything that helps me save time and not necessarily just money is super helpful. I can't even find the time to put this bag down. But I'm hoping that check for runs and drips here. Hoping that gave me enough coverage so that it will level. Okay, I need to just trust the finish now. So anyways, that was super easy to just drop it. So again, hope it helps. Like and subscribe if this is helping you out.